Good afternoon, everybody, or good morning, depending on wherever you're at. Here's my lunch. We went to McDonald's today, or actually, we Ubered McDonald's today, and they showed up. Here is Mommy and the puppy. Hey, look. There you go. Come here. Say something. Oh, I guess not. Say something.
Hi, everybody.
Say good afternoon. Come on.
Mama's eating a pepper bar. Good afternoon.
There you go. Yeah, I know. Yeah, you're cute. Yeah. Okay, everybody, that's enough. Cuteness is over. I will post more at dinner, and I have something to say about tomorrow, so look forward to that. Have a good afternoon or good morning, depending on wherever you're at. See you then.
Yeah.